Welcome to our channel, and if you want to make Samsung A-series devices faster, then you can follow some tips. Here is some simple tips for you. You just need to go to settings. First of all, you can then scroll all the way down and turn on the developer option. If you don't have developer option, then you can go to about phone section, and in software information you will find build number. You just need to continuously tap on this build number until you get the prompted message that the developer option is now enabled on your device. So then you can just go to your developer option, now scroll down until you find the animation scale on your device. Let me show you. Here it is, the 3 animation scale, one for window animation scales, another is transition animation scale, and another is animator duration scale. So you can just set these 3 to 0.5x, this animation scale 0.5x, and the third one also animation scale 5.5x. It will make your device much faster than before. Then another important thing is you just need to go to the battery and device here, and from here you will find the storage device and memory device here. So make sure that your storage, there is enough storage available in your internal storage. Here you can see I have 64 GB storage on my Samsung Galaxy A50. So there is 64 GB storage, where I have just used 49.7 GB, and there is 14.3 GB available right now. So make sure that there is enough storage available to run the programs or store any files, so it won't lag much. If your internal storage is about to full or there is insufficient storage and there is a message that for the error for cleaning the storage, the alert message on your notification bar, then you have to clean it, or otherwise you can face some hang issue or lag issue on your device. Now second one is memory, which is actually our RAM. Make sure our RAM is always refreshed and there is enough storage, enough space on our RAM to carry the application on our device. If there is for example, if there is 200 MB or 500 MB memory available, it showed here, then that means you can face a heavy lag issue on your device, and it will slow your device so much slow your device. So you can just free up your memory by closing all the application in the background that you are running, and you don't want to use them, but you just left them on your background. You just need to clean all of them. Then you can just avoid some heavy application that's not mandatory for you. You can just avoid to use them on your device if you have low RAM available. So, and you can just go to the battery and device care, and you can scan your memory. It will tap on it and it will check in your memory. From here you can see all the applications that are using your RAM right now. Now from here you can tap on clean now, and it will clean the junk memory from here. Here you can see now it has just cleaned some of my storage here on my memory, some of my space. You can see I just have 1 GB available earlier, and now I have 1.3 GB available right now. So that's how you can clean up a little of RAM that can help you to use your phone smoothly, and it will make your phone faster. So these general tips will help you to make your device faster. And a little tip is make sure that you have enough charge on your device. You can put on the charging after when you find the device charge is under 30%, then you can just put on this charge, and you can plug out your charging cable after when you find it is about to complete the 90% or 95 or 100%. Then you can just put plug this out, and don't forget to plug it in and just left it for 4 or 5 hours. It can just damage your battery, and a damaged battery can make your device much slower. So, and also make sure you don't use your phone toughly, so your hardware will be fresh. And if your hardware, there's issue or damage with your hardware, then you can face a lag issue and your device will be slow, so much slower than before. So then you can just go to iExpert to solve that problem. That's how you can just follow the tips and make your device more faster. If you like this video, then give us a thumbs up and leave a comment below, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.